my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace and my channel's name is GRAYCYLyn. If you're tuning in for the first time, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today we're going to talk about leveling up our feminine hygiene. Yes! If there's one thing this year I'm so proud that I did is definitely taking my hygiene much more seriously. So in this video I'm going to tell you stuff that I did to really level up my feminine hygiene and just boost the feminine energy and all that jazz. So the first thing I try to do is create a sustainable routine for myself, for my skincare routine, body care routine, and my environmental kind of routine. For skincare routine, I have made a video concerning that, and I'll link it up here so you can so I did change my skincare routine and made it as simple as possible, and I stuck with it, and so it kind of makes your body used to a particular product and work its regularities within those particular products. Try as much as possible to use products that I love and not necessarily products that everyone is using. At the end of the day, what makes you feel good is what is super important. The next thing I did was to upgrade my sponge from using loafers and other kind of things, using those glove kind of sponges. I decided to start using those, and I could see that my skin was glowing. I could see that I was taking off those dead skin cells a lot more, and I could see a lot more renewal of my skin. The next thing I opted for is a body mist. So I realized that, see, perfumes are expensive. Not everybody can afford a YSL, a Chanel, a Dior. Not everybody can afford that. But I did discover like there are so many dupes to these things. I am obsessed with You Are the One body mist by Bath and Body Works. Obsessed. So some of the body mist that personally I would recommend is Bath and Body Works. So I always tell people to like discover the kind of smell that you want. Some people gravitate towards flowers, some gravitate towards sugar, and some gravitate towards a clean kind of smell, and some people gravitate towards the oud kind of smell. So you discovering what kind of smell works for you would really help you. Personally, I gravitate towards flowery, sugary kind of perfumes. I just feel like they're very feminine. The other one that is on the pricey end, if you have the money to splurge, absolutely, is Lancome La Vie Est Belle. I will put the particular La Vie Est Belle I'm talking about here. It smells amazing. It just makes you tap into your feminine energy. It's just very feminine, very rosy, very perfect. And I decided to stick with one just so that it becomes my signature kind of smell. Everybody has a smell, and for me, I feel like I want to identify my smell as smelling really good. Okay. Another major thing was body scrubs. So body scrubs are not just for people to waste their money. It was this year I really discovered the importance of having a body scrub. If you're the type that has stretch marks, cellulite, all those things that personally I have. So body scrubs has absolutely helped me get rid of a lot of them. Now, one thing I've understood with this particular kind of situations is increased blood flow to those particular areas help in repair of those damaged areas. Like the other day I was looking at them and they were like a lot lighter, they looked a lot better, they looked a lot seamless to my skin color. So yeah, I was really excited about that. So that's like one of the things I also did to like really level up my hygiene this year. The next thing I did is taking my time in the bath. Before, I used to just enter there and come out. I used to wonder like, what do people like doing inside the bathroom? Like, what are you doing inside there? But I realized that just taking your time to have your bath, taking time to like scrub your body. So what I did is that I just play some music, I just place it somewhere, and I play really cool relaxing music and like take a bath and like scrub my body properly. Like creating a day within the week where I decide that I'm just going to pamper my body. Most people will go to a spa to like get those pamper treatments, but the truth is you can actually pamper yourself at home. by yourself. Because it's your body, you know those areas, you know those inner corners that need extra cleaning, that need extra pampering, that need extra love. Another thing I did to just really get into my feminine energy is meditation. I'm a Christian, and so I take out time to have some sort of communication with my maker. I take out time to just sit and just relax and just have conversations with him and have that inner interaction with Jesus and just really focus on life in general. And I believe that has really helped upgrade my feminine energy. Another thing is my environment. Also ensuring that I keep my environment as tidy as possible. I'm that kind of person that a scattered environment basically affects my mental health. And when I clean and put everything together, it just makes me feel good. The focus here is feeling good, because when you're confident with yourself, you can go out to the world and be confident. The next thing is my oral hygiene. I think everybody knows about this. Not everyone can afford dental appointments, but I would recommend that you go for some sort of dental appointment, even if it's just like cleaning your teeth. It really helps like take off a lot of gunk that your toothbrush, your tongue scrub, your whatever may not necessarily be able to take out. So the next thing I started doing this year, and I think I have been doing that since I was a little girl, my mom is to make sure that I have my bath at night, and not just have my bath at night, she would make sure that I do not wear pants to sleep. So I honestly didn't understand why, but now I understand, because your girl needs some air in and out of her. And so in the night is like one of the good times to like relax and let every other part of your body relax. I wear my regular PJs. They're mostly cotton PJs so that air can flow through in and out. Personally, I haven't dealt with any yeast infection all my life, and I think that is because of this reason, because I allow her breathe and I also clean her up morning and night. And when I clean her up, I do not use any soap whatsoever. I use water. I don't know if I've ever said this on the channel, but I'm a medical lab scientist, and so I tend to see these organisms almost on a daily basis. I tend to take these samples from ladies and I tend to have conversations with them as to why they may have gotten that particular infection. There's so many reasons that could happen, and I'll make a separate video talking about yeast infections. But for this particular video, trying as much as possible to stay from feminine washes would do you more good in this world. So thank you so much guys for tuning in today. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I also want to know, what are those products that make you feel gang, those products that just bring out your feminine energy to a very large extent, those products that make you feel like a damsel, you know? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hey, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.